Open the packaging box. Take out the accessory package and bicycle. The accessory box includes a toolkit, repainting solution, pedal, warranty card and charger. Remove the protective foam paper. Loosen the 2 screws on both sides of the stem. Rotate the handlebar to align with the front fork. Tighten the screws. Remove the 2 foot pedal fixing screws. Installing foot pedals. The operation method on the other side is the same. Installation is complete.